Hi everybody. Today we're diving into the world of Itheum and how it's revolutionizing data ownership in the real world. We're going to dive into a product demo shortly, but let's take a few seconds to set some context. We've all heard the saying, data is the new oil, but in the age of AI, data is far more valuable than oil. AI companies know this. This is why our data is being harvested at increasingly alarming rates. So it's obvious, data is a valuable new asset class, very similar to financial assets. And as BlackRock signals, the next step is the tokenization of asset classes. Itheum has been building data tokenization infrastructure since 2022. Let's take a look at Itheum in action. When Grammy Award-winning artist Deep Forest had their music catalog released from Sony Music, they wanted to celebrate. To mark both their release and their Grammy anniversary, they decided to explore what true music ownership could mean for artists in the Web3 era. That's where Itheum came in. We were engaged by the digital partners to tokenize Deep Forest music as music data NFTs, transforming their music into unique digital assets where distribution, royalties, and fan engagement are directly managed by the artist. Unlike typical music NFTs, Itheum's music data NFTs allow artists to mint entire music catalogs, complete with multiple tracks and sound bites, creating an incredibly immersive NFT experience. How did we achieve this? Well, let's break it down with a cool product demo. Firstly, we used our decentralized storage tooling called Zedge Storage to generate the dynamic music streams. Here we can enter all the song metadata, including the art and the music tracks, and we can also preview what the end result would look like. Next, we seamlessly minted music data NFT collections using our data deck software. Once the music data NFT collections were minted, they were launched on the musician's own public website. Afterward, the music data NFTs were listed on multiple open NFT marketplaces, including Itheum's own data marketplace. Finally, anyone who owns these music data NFTs can listen to entire soundtracks on apps built on Itheum's app framework. This includes our own music app called NFTunes, available on the Itheum app marketplace, as well as third-party apps and websites being built by others using Itheum's technology under the hood. As you can see from this real-world example, Itheum provides end-to-end infrastructure for data tokenization and distribution. But this is just one example of what's possible. We classify this as active data tokenization, where creators, in this case musicians, actively produce data that becomes data NFTs. Itheum is now scaling up its offerings with passive data tokenization solutions. We're initially focusing on gaming, and we're thrilled to announce the launch of Gamer Passport, which tokenizes bulk PlayStation gaming data direct from gamers. The initial version is already live, and we can't wait to bring this solution to market. Ultimately, this is a game changer. For the first time, users can participate in the lucrative data market instead of watching from the sidelines while their data is being exploited. They're shown what's possible in music and gaming, but imagine the possibilities as we expand to other industries like health, wellness, entertainment, commerce, finance, and more. Thank you for your support, and stay tuned for what's next.